Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online. If you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We'd greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we're going to be looking at a Hublot Spirit of Big Bang Meca-10 watch in titanium. The model reference number for this watch is 614.NX.1170.RX. The current retail price on this watch in 2022 is $24,100 US. So I'm going to be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, the bezel, dial, the crown functions, as well as the movement. And I'll give my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. Now, the Hublot Spirit of Big Bang is a 45mm watch case from my thumb to my pointer finger here. It's large size for most guys, and if you turn it over to the side, you can see the higher profile of the watch from the front to the back of the watch. The case thickness is about 12mm, so it's about a half an inch thick. However, this watch is surprisingly wearable due to the case being made of titanium, which is nice, strong, and lightweight. If you like big watches, you're going to love this watch. The tonneau-shaped case is rated to 50 meters or 5 atoms of water resistance. It's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist, but it's not a screw-down crown, so you're probably just going to be wading around in the water, not diving. So wearing this on my wrist, it does feel rather light. Not too clunky. You can notice that it's got a higher profile on the wrist, so you got to watch where this watch goes if you're walking through doors. Let's take this off. This tonneau-shaped case is rather large, especially on my wrist. Now I have a medium-sized wrist, so you can see how it goes over. The Meca-10 line is only offered in a 45mm watch. So if you need a tonneau-shaped watch from Hublot, you can get a 42mm chronograph. It's much busier dial than the Meca-10 dials though. So if you still want a large watch, the strap will let you wear this watch comfortably still, even it's sized on my wrist. Now going in the dial, we're looking at this beautiful skeletonized matte black dial with index hour markers. There's a baton-shaped hour and minute hands with aluminum applied on them, nice and bold. The second hand, you're going to notice here at the 9 o'clock position. It's a small second. Now I might add that these baton-shaped hour and minute hands look like they're floating over the dial. It's a really cool look. If you look at it from the side, they are floating pretty much. You can also see the balance wheel here at the 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock position. It's moving, almost like a heartbeat here. The watch looks like it's alive. You're also going to notice there's no date function here on this dial. If there was a date wheel, that would kind of mess up the 3D effect that Hublot's going for. You would see a date wheel just running around this dial, and they decided not to have that. And it looks great without it. Now the crown here at the 3 o'clock position can be wound in the first position. Once you get a good grip on it, as you're looking at the 3 o'clock position of the dial, you'll see a little reserve meter here, going from 2 days to 4 days, or maybe 2 to 3 and 4 days. And you can see that power reserve going up to 10 days. In the second position out on this watch, we can adjust the hands, the hour and minute hands, as they go around the dial here. Once you have your time set, you can just pop this crown back in and your watch is set. The movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber HUB 1123. It has the hour, minute, and sub-seconds at 9 o'clock position. The power reserve on this watch is an amazing 10 days. And the name Meca-10 actually denotes the use of this 10-day power reserve on the movement. Now you might be wondering why this watch has a 10-day power reserve. Well, if you turn the watch over, you're going to notice that through the exhibition case back, the movement does not have a self-winding rotor. This is a manual wind watch. So the power reserve comes in really handy here. Now, automatic movement's only going to have a 2 or 3 day power reserve, while you see manual wind watches with 5, 7, or maybe 10 day power reserves. The movement is easy to see without the winding rotor getting in the way, so that's why they don't have that there. You'll notice the movement is also sitting on top of 3 bridges here. Hopefully you can make that clear. Normally it would be 1 plate, but the 3 bridges allows you to see the movement and see through the movement as well. The way the movement sits in the case it displays a lot of depth, especially being that the case is so thick. Now, the strap that holds this watch is a detachable black line rubber strap. What I mean by detachable is that the strap can be removed using Hublot's strap release system. If you just depress this button here at the 6 o'clock position of the watch, you can remove the strap. It's almost like buckling your seatbelt buckle. It goes on just like plugging it in like a seatbelt buckle as well. There you go, and your watch is back together. Easy to take off and easy to put back on. As far as what I think about this watch, this is a little large for my wrist. Spirit of Big Bang line actually comes in a 39mm, 42mm, and this 45mm case. Yes, this Meca-10 watch is made out of titanium, so it's easier on my wrist than a gold watch. Now, those watches also offered in a 45mm ceramic case and a rose gold case as well. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have this watch on our website, jazztime.com. The model reference number for us, again, is 614.NX.1170.RX. This is the Hublot Spirit of Big Bang Meca-10. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thank you all for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.